Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Google Drive. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud-based file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files with others. Google Drive offers free storage space for personal use, and additional storage can be purchased if needed. Users can access Google Drive through a web browser or by using dedicated apps for various devices, including desktop computers, smartphones, and tablets. It supports a wide range of file formats including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, videos, and more. Additionally, Google Drive integrates with other Google services such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, allowing users to create and edit documents directly within the Drive interface. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. What is Google Drive is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.